Okay, in this video we're going to learn how to add Ledger wallet or a hardware wallet to your Keplr wallet. Okay, so Ledger account to your Keplr. Now, just a few days ago I did full video for how to install Keplr Wallet. Go and watch that video if this is your first time. So once you have installed your Keplr Wallet, make sure your Ledger is open and you have your Cosmos account right there, and here you have your Keplr Wallet. Okay, on your Keplr Wallet, make sure you have already your Keplr is open. Okay, so once you open, what you need to do is go to the top right. I'm not sure if you can see this, okay, but go and click top right, and right here you will see add wallet. Go and click add wallet. You're going to come to this page. Okay, create new wallet now. Import an existing wallet, do not do that, don't use that, and connect hardware wallet. Okay, you go and click connect Ledger. Okay, and then here you put, let's say, test 1, and here you say Cosmos app, so you need to have your Cosmos app open. Give me a second. So once you have Cosmos app open, you go to the next, and then it's already unlocked, and then you wait, and that's about it. Now you need to choose some of the chains. This is the beautiful on the Osmosis. So you can see I have some money here. Okay, you can see from all this change, or you can choose them now, or you can add them later. You go to save, and then here this is also chain, what change to be visible. Okay, this is on Osmosis. Okay, so now remember this, when you go save, now you need to go back to your Ledger and you need to open your Ethereum app so you can be able to use Injective and Osmos. This is the EVM compatible chains. So basically Osmosis account is for using your Osmosis, like example on Osmosis chain. Okay, still you have Injective there, but that's on Osmosis chain. And if you want to use just Injective, like Injective, you need to use your Ethereum account on your Ledger and on Injective. It's a little bit tricky there, but once you start using, you're going to understand. So what I need to do is now I need to go and open my Ethereum wallet. I go to next, and here you will see I already and there we go. I already go, and I go to finish account. There we go. Let me see. Close this page. Account created. Okay, simple as that. And I go to finish. Okay, so now when I go to the right one, and here you will see, you cannot see the name, but it's, let me actually see. There we go. Okay, right here. Let me see the name. There we go. Test 1. Okay, simple as that. Perfect. Okay, so that's about it. Okay, so test 1, and then you can start using. So right here you see test 1, and that is my Ledger account. So you can go deposit and do whatever you want. All right, so I hope you understand. This only take a couple of minutes just to learn how to add your Ledger into your Keplr wallet. Again, Keplr Wallet you can use for Osmosis, all the EVM, ICM or ICS chains, and all the EVM compatible chains like Injective, Osmos, and so on. But for that you need your Ethereum app. Okay, Ethereum account on your Ledger to be open. Make sure you know that, because a lot of times when you try to send Injective on Injective chain, okay, it's give you like you're not able to, and basically you just have open your Cosmos account because of using Injective on the Cosmos ecosystem. Okay, so just make sure you understand that. All right, thank you so much. God bless. Make sure you subscribe and like, and leave me a comment if you have any question, or just find me in my Telegram group and I will answer all your questions you have.